my beautiful fiance, Taylor. We have been together almost 9 years now, and she has seen the various iterations of things that I have purchased, bought, sold, used. She has rode most of the things that I own, considering the jet skis, the stand-up jet ski. I got her riding dirt bikes now, and so I got a couple questions for her. First of all, what do you think of the pickup truck that I have built?
I mean, I think it looks pretty sweet, but it is costing us a little bit more money than the neighborhood runner that it was supposed to be.
That's weird. And my next question is, do you think it needs a hood?
Not having a hood is an advantage, I guess.
Absolutely. I think it looks pretty ridiculous, especially with that thing.
She doesn't like the wastegate. Alrighty, well, Cletus would be disappointed that you think it needs a hood. The next question that I have for you is, do you think you will ever drive this truck on your own? Steal the keys from me and take it out of the garage?
Absolutely, especially it would make my commute to work so much faster.
Oh.
And I think my coworkers might think I'm a little bit cooler than I probably am.
Way cooler. Alrighty, so we're gonna get this thing unplugged from battery tender and stuff like that. We're gonna pop open the garage door, and Taylor's gonna start this thing, back it out, and we're gonna go do a little boosted launch in it just for some fun.
This thing ain't got no door panels.
Ain't got no doors. Alrighty, so this is, oh my gosh, I gotta zoom out here. This is mostly finished, somewhat finished. Doesn't have enough trim yet, but you're gonna throw the key forward, similar to any other vehicle. One more click. We can hear the electronic boost controller up there doing its thing. All right, why don't you turn the key forward and see how easily she starts on this new tune that it's got. All right, what do you think so far?
I think this is way louder than I thought it was.
It's very loud. All righty, you can throw it in reverse and back it out. Where the hell is she going? Alrighty, this is a real weird spot to be over here, especially since it's you driving. So we're gonna take this thing and we'll just go drive around the parking lot a little bit. Beauty day out, beauty day. Alrighty, so first impressions, just driving it like a normal vehicle.
I mean, it's pretty good. I'm a little bit nervous because especially after hearing how much money you put into this thing. But so far it's going well. It's really loud in here too.
Don't drive through the puddle.
Oh, dang it.
No puddles. Take it out on the road. Why are you driving through all the water, woman?
Sorry.
It's black. You can't drive through water.
I'll whip a Yui right here.
Oh, you can take it over. If you want to take it out just on the road real briefly, we'll go over to, remember where our old storage unit was?
We'll go in there.
Yeah. You good over here? Oh God, look at all the salt on the road. Nope, next one. Alrighty, so I'm over here instructing Taylor how to do a launch. She's done these before in other vehicles, so go for it, sweetie.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Oh my god.
What do you think about that?
That sucker's fast.
All right, it's more fun than I let on to be, right?
Totally. I did not picture it to actually go that fast.
Yeah. So this is where 20 grand goes right here.
Oh god.
Alrighty, Taylor. I'm not in the cab with you anymore. We're gonna get a video from outside.
Right.
So you remember what you're doing?
I think so, yeah.
Alrighty, let me go get over there. All right. All right, Taylor's coming to pick me back up.
Welcome.
All right, young lady, how was Mexico?
It was great. Should I do it one more time?
Sure.
Did I have a Cletus face? So it's weird. You don't think it's as fast as it is because when you're just driving normally, it feels like it's just not driving super correctly and it's like lurching just a little bit and it's like I want to go faster and then is it the exhaust that feels choppy or that sounds choppy?
The engine, the exhaust,
The engine,
yeah.
whatever it is. But it just feels like I'm kind of going like this a little bit, but then when you launch it, it drives so smoothly. Like that's what it's meant to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Tyler has, he's only been email tuning it, and so it's really hard to work out some of those drivability things that you're talking about by email, but he's got it running pretty good for the couple small little pulls that we did, and that's about as far as I want to push it without him taking a look at and tuning it in person. So I guess if you want to park it here and we'll shut her off and do some closing remarks. Alrighty, so here we are. Truck outside. Taylor just drove it. Beautiful truck, beautiful lady. And what do you think about the truck overall?
I think it's pretty good so far. Like I said earlier, the regular driving is a little bit odd with the lurch feeling, but once that's figured out, I think it's going to be great as long as you don't get speeding tickets and spend more of our money on it.
More money on speeding tickets. I don't know. That might be negotiable, or it might not be. So overall, you think that I did a good job on it, and you're happy to see it outside, almost completed.
Yes, for sure. And I'm also glad that there's not random cabs and beds and things sitting all over our backyard.
Yeah, well, I guess that's beneficial too. So overall, I think this is kind of where we're going to leave it. With that being said, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you for all the people that have watched this truck over the last 10 months or so of it getting built. Overall, Taylor did a great job driving the truck and giving it some launches. I actually didn't even drive it today. I didn't show her how to do any of that stuff. I just told her, bring it up to about 3,000 RPM and let her eat. So she did a great job, and I thank her a lot for supporting this project and all the other fun things that we get to do together. So with that being said, I'm going to exit this video, and thank you so much for watching. Go check out the other videos of this truck if you haven't seen them yet. And until I see you next time, peace.